What's up, team? This is Ro, your best friend at JMSB. So here I was asked a question for COMM 308, Introduction to Corporate Finance. Let's have a look. So here it says, you've observed the following annual returns for Motherboard Inc. 25%, 15%, negative 20%, 30%, and negative 15%. What are the variance and standard deviation of returns? So in this example, we're simply asked to calculate the standard deviation and variance of returns using the ex post method. And that's simply because we're offered historical data pertaining to returns. The truth is, we can accomplish this rather quickly with the help of our fabulous finance calculators, and I'm hoping today I'm able to show you how to do that. On your finance calculators, you're simply going to begin by pressing second, followed by 7. Notice how on top of the number 7, it says data, and this is how we enter the data worksheet. At this point, we're simply going to press second followed by CEC in order to clear the worksheet. For X01, we're going to enter the most historical return that we're offered, which is 25%, so I can simply press 0.25 followed by enter. I can then press the down arrow, and it's going to show us Y01 on the screen. The truth is, we'd enter something for Y had we had two different stock returns. In this case, we're simply offered the returns for one stock, and so we can skip over the Ys. I'm simply going to press the down arrow until it says X02. At this point, we're going to press 0.15 followed by enter. We can hit the down arrow twice and enter the next return, which is 0.2 as a negative, and again we're going to press enter. We hit the down arrow twice. For X04, I'm going to press 0.3 followed by enter, and then finally for X05, we're going to press 0.15 negative followed by enter. So we can scroll up and down to verify the values that we've put for our X's. Once we've entered all of the historical returns, we're now simply going to press second followed by 8 in order to enter the stat worksheet. At this point, it's important for the calculator to say Lin on the screen. And now we can simply press the down arrow until we can see SX. SX represents the standard deviation. So in this example, the standard deviation of returns is 0.23076. If we want to calculate the variance, we can simply square the standard deviation. So if I were to square this by pressing x squared, now I can see the variance of returns, 0.05325. So in my opinion, the best answer here would be C. So I hope that explanation helps, and if it does, please make sure you tag your friends that are taking COMM 308. In the meantime, guys, keep well, study well, Ro out.